Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to play Gran Turismo 7 on Oculus Quest 2 full guide. Start by connecting your PlayStation, PC, and Quest 2 to the same fast network and enabling PS Remote Play on the console. Install PS Remote Play on your PC and update firmware on every device. Pair your controllers and verify low latency with a short test drive before moving to advanced settings. In this video, I will explain how to play Gran Turismo 7 on Oculus Quest 2 full guide. Decide between wired Oculus Link for minimal lag, or wireless Air Link, or virtual desktop for freedom of movement. Prioritize a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band and close proximity to your router for wireless. Adjust frame rates and resolution in PC streaming apps to balance clarity and smoothness for the best driving feel. In this video, I will review how to play Gran Turismo 7 on Oculus Quest 2 full guide. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers to keep snacks, cables, and small accessories organized during long sessions. They save time and prevent spills in your play space. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to play Gran Turismo 7 on Oculus Quest 2 full guide. Focus on controller mapping and calibration, so steering and force feedback feel natural whether you use a wheel or gamepad. Tweak dead zones and sensitivity until turns feel predictable. Adjust in headset comfort, seating posture, and take regular breaks to prevent fatigue and motion issues during longer races.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.